What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to search for player and add them as a EA friend on Battlefield 6. To search for someone, start by opening the game menu. On PlayStation, press R2, on Xbox, press RT, and on PC, press the tab key. You can also look toward the far right side of the screen where you will see the friends list option. Once that opens, select EA Connect, then press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox until you reach the player search tab. Here, type the EA name of the person you are trying to find. For example, if you type something simple like Jack, you will see a list of results. When you search for someone like Jack, you will notice their display name along with their EA username on the right side. To add them, press cross on PlayStation or A on Xbox. I simply search for Jack, that's why I can't find my friend easily. But if you search for them using their EA ID, then you can find them very easily. Next, go to the request section in case they have already sent you a friend request. If you see it, accept it. After that, check under party or friends, select their name and choose the option to send a party invite. Once they join, you can add them to your group and start playing together. That's all you need to do. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.